Today I'm going to teach you how to measure your foot and your hands with a ruler, with these numbers. That's the inches. Hi friends, right now we're going to measure my hand.
Okay, so first, before we did that, we actually traced our hand. We decided to trace the right hand for Athena's hand and also trace my right hand. So Athena's going to demonstrate how to measure using a ruler. Go ahead, Athena.
Okay.
So she places 0 at the bottom of her hand, and then she's going to move the ruler to the tip.
4.
Okay, so this is also introducing rounding. If you notice, the tip of the finger is closer to the 4 instead of the 5, so she's going to round down to 4. So on this sheet in the Google Documents, we're going to place 4 inches for Athena. Now she's going to measure my hand. Okay, so Athena, please demonstrate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what?
6 inches.
6 inches. Okay, so we're going to put 6 inches here. So whose hand is longer, Athena?
You.
Okay, my hand, so mommy's. Whose hand is shorter?
Me.
Okay, so what would be the numerical expression using these numbers?
What's a numerical expression?
Numerical expression is an expression that has numbers, okay? So we're going to use subtraction because we're trying to figure out whose hand is longer and by how much, and whose hand is shorter by how much.
Okay.
So how will we put these numbers?
So I'm going to put my finger on one of the numbers.
Well, let's first put the numerical expression. So remember, for now, we're going to put the bigger number first.
Yeah.
6 minus 4. Okay, so that's a numerical expression.
Okay.
All right, so let's demonstrate. If you're going to subtract, are you going to go to the left or to the right of the number line? Okay. First, let's start at the number. Which number are we going to start at?
6.
Okay, can you please take the pen and put a dot at 6? Okay, we're going to subtract 4. So count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6 minus 4 is
2.
2.
Matter of fact, that is a half of 4.
Okay, yes. So how many inches longer is mommy's than Athena's hand? How many inches?
2 more inches.
2 inches more, okay? And how many inches shorter is Athena's hand than mommy's hand?
2 less.
2 inches less. Okay.
Hi friends, now we're going to show how to measure our foot. So we always start at 0, and mine is 6 inches. Now I'm going to measure my mom's foot. Okay. 0. And it's 8 inches.
So here I'm going to show you what we had done on the table, on the chart. So her foot was 6 inches. Her parents' foot, which is me, is 8 inches. And she determined that my foot was longer because mine was 8 inches, and her foot was shorter because hers was 6 inches. Using the number line, our numerical expression is 8 minus 6, and it is an expression because it does not have an equal sign, and it's called a numerical expression because it has numbers. So she started at 8, and she moved 6 spaces to the left because it's subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 8 minus 6, which equals to 2. So Athena, how many inches longer is my foot than your foot?
2.
2 inches. Make sure you use the unit of measurement.
Can I write the 2?
Sure. How many inches shorter is your foot than my foot?
2 less.
Okay, 2 inches less. Okay, just write the number 2 right here on this line.
So, like this?
Yes, good job. And I'm just going to put the unit of measurement, inches. It's always important to start using that. Okay? Also, I'm going to want to show a visual. So the red dot indicates the 8 and the yellow dot indicates the 6. So I drew out 8 red dots and 6 yellow dots. And I'm going to cross out the pairs. And if you notice, visually, I have 2 inches more than Athena. Okay, now we ask you to take 2 different size books. Athena chose Frozen Storytime Collection and I Love You Sneaky Face. So she's going to measure first her Frozen book. So Athena, can you show how to measure that?
Okay. Start from 0. And you see, it's 9.
Okay.
And not 10. So it is close.
Okay, so let's now measure I Love You Sneaky Face.
Start at 0.
And let's move it down a little bit.
Oh.
Because
And
0
it's
is right here.
Yep.
So it's 5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to move this and show this table. So, which book is taller, the Frozen or the Stinky Face?
Frozen.
Okay. And which book is shorter?
I Love You Stinky Face.
Okay, I'm just going to put Stinky Face for now.
That's really yucky.
Okay, so what would be the numerical expression?
That Frozen is bigger than that.
Okay, so 9 minus 5. Okay, so please show using the number line.
Okay, so start from 9. Where's 9? Oh, there.
And how many spaces are you going to move? In what direction, the left or the right?
This way.
Okay, it's the left. And anytime you're subtracting, you're always moving to the left of the number line. Okay? How many spaces?
So we're going that way 5 times.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so what number did you land on?
4.
Okay, so 9 minus the 5 is 4. So how many inches longer is Frozen than Stinky Face? How many inches longer?
Okay, so let's see. There and let's see.
How many inches longer is Frozen than Stinky Face?
It's 4.
So 4 inches. Okay, how many inches shorter is Stinky Face than Frozen?
4.
Okay,
Or
4
less.
inches
Less.
less. Okay. All right.
So that was not space.
Remember, you can choose any 2 books. Just make sure there's a difference in height. If you decide that you want to compare other objects and other things, make sure you can definitely do that. Everything is provided in the Google documents in the description box. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.